Haha. Okay. Someone left this backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy!
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There you are! Look how cute he is! You're so cute! Let's bring him home! Let me hold him! Look how cute you are! Yeah! Let's! It's okay! It's okay! Baby! It's alright! I wanted to take care of a baby. It's okay, baby. Baby Smith pacifier. Hi, baby. It's a pacifier. It's okay, baby. It's okay. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Here you go. What? It's okay. It's alright. It's gonna be alright. Here you go. Maybe he's hungry. I think this is gonna be enough. Alright, baby. Here you go. What? You won't drink it? He got dirty, so let's take him to the bath. Let's take bath. It's shower. It's alright. Let's play in the ball pool. Maybe he's hungry? Alright, let's make a soup. So, let's make a soup. It's okay, babe. Let's eat a soup. Okay, here you go. Okay, open the mouth. Okay, open the mouth. Nemi! What it is? Let's take him for a walk. Alright, it's okay. He's crying again. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Be quiet. Be quiet, please. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Calm down. It's gonna be alright, baby. It's gonna be alright. It's alright, baby. It's gonna be alright. Sleep tight. Sleep. Let's sleep. Let's sleep. Finally, he fell asleep. Finally, he fell asleep. I'm so tired. What? Where is the baby? Where is he? Where is he? Oh! Where is the baby? Where is him? The stork took him. The stork? What? He was so cute.